Ninoy believed in us when we didn't believe in ourselves. He saw a Philippines worth every sacrifice. Today, we gather to remember Ninoy Aquino on what would have been his 93rd birthday. Si Ninoy po ay katulad lang natin. Mayroon siyang pamilya na mahal niya. Mayroon siyang takot at pag-aalinlangan. Pero ang nagpanalo sa kanya ay hindi ang kawalan ng takot. Ang nagpanalo ay ang tapang na kumilos kahit takot. Yan ang tunay na bayani. Ninoy didn't of Philippines. He lived for it. He fought for it. He came home for it. And his question echoes through time. Is the Filipino worth dying for? His life answers, the Filipino is worth everything. Mabuhay ang alaala ni Ninoy, mabuhay ang tapang ng bawat Pilipino. Mabuhay ang pag-asa, mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po sa inyo at magandang umaga muli.